big milestone for altcoin access. According to CoinDesk, the new XRP and Dogecoin exchange-traded funds racked up about $54.7 million in combined first-day trading volume, setting a record for non-Bitcoin, non-Ether crypto ETFs on launch day. That debut tells you traditional investors want exposure to more than just the top two. What exactly launched? CoinDesk reports that Rex Osprey listed to products on Cboe under the tickers XRPR for XRP and DOGE for Dogecoin. They are not pure buy and hold only spot funds. Each holds a mix of the underlying asset alongside cash, short-dated treasuries, and some derivatives for liquidity and management. The design is meant to keep spreads tight and tracking smooth as the market finds its footing. The context matters. Reuters says the SEC just adopted generic listing standards that let major exchanges approve spot crypto ETFs using a clear checklist on surveillance, custody, pricing, and disclosures. That policy shift compresses timelines and is the main reason you are seeing new products arrive in clusters rather than one-off spaced months apart. Early flow quality looks strong. CoinDesk's coverage notes that the turnover on day one far exceeded typical ETF debuts, and Yahoo Finance highlighted how the XRP fund clocked tens of millions in trading within the first 90 minutes. Fast starts like that signal real two-way interest from market makers and investors, not just a headline pop. So what does this mean for price discovery? When regulated wrappers go live, you usually get steadier participation from investors who won't self-custody. That can deepen order books on the underlying pairs, reduce slippage, and make breakouts stickier when they happen. If you trade XRP or Dogecoin directly, watch how spot depth and spreads evolve over the next few sessions as authorized participants get comfortable making markets against the funds. Here's how to track whether this launch has legs. First, watch assets under management and daily volume for XRPR and DOGE. If AUM climbs and volume persists beyond day one, that is sticky demand. Second, watch premiums and discounts versus the indicative value. Tight tracking means the arbitrage loop is working. Third, keep an eye on the derivative side. CoinDesk previously reported that CME plans to add options on XRP futures in mid-October, subject to review. More listed hedges usually bring in more professional flow. There are risks to respect. These funds include cash and derivatives, so they are not the same as self-custodying the token. If volumes fade after launch week, spreads can widen and tracking can wobble. Regulatory headlines can still shift the landscape. And sell the news reactions are common if positioning was crowded into the debut. Bottom line. According to CoinDesk, XRP and Dogecoin ETFs just posted a record first day with roughly $54.7 million in combined turnover, while Reuters frames this as the first wave in a faster, rules-based ETF regime. If volumes hold and AUM builds, this is a meaningful step toward mainstream participation in altcoins. If interest fades, expect the market to digest and wait for the next catalyst. You've been watching Cryptozard News. Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other crypto-related news you'd like to hear in the future.